What's up guys, it's Eric from B-Sign. Today we have here a 2021 Toyota Sienna. It's a brand new model in hybrid. And we're going to be installing the shift power throttle response controller. It's a quick plug and play install. It'll only take a few minutes to install it. I'll walk you through it and we're going to also do a test drive with it. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, now that we're in the vehicle, we're going to go ahead and just dive in here. Go towards the acceleration pedal, look behind it. There's going to be a plug. Alright, we already pre-installed it on this, but let me give you a close-up look on where it is and how to install this. There's our acceleration pedal, okay, and then look up and you'll find this acceleration pedal assembly, and right behind it there's a connector here. So you're going to push down on the tab and pull this out, and then daisy chain our harness to it. One side's going to be male, one side's going to be female. The male side will connect to this assembly. The female side will connect to the connector, the OEM connector that originally was connected to this assembly. And then you'll find that within the harness, you have a module connected to it. This is our throttle response control module. And then we also have our button connect to it right here, okay? And this is how our button looks. Button lights up depending on what mode you're using. I'm gonna set this over here. And once all this is connected, all you have to do is turn on the vehicle. Okay, once you turn on the vehicle, you'll notice that there's gonna be a little LED light here. It should be white color. Once you confirm the white LED, I'm gonna go ahead and show you the other video to let you know how to set up the application on your phone. So after you turn on the engine, what you want to do is download the shift power application. And how you do that is go to your app here. I already went ahead and searched it, shift power FATEC, and then go ahead and press the install and then open. And after you open up the app, you want to click on this vehicle button, and then you'll find it. You'll find your shift power device. Go ahead and connect it. It's going to ask you for the password, and the password is going to be written on the user manual, first page. Go ahead and pair it, and then you will select your vehicle, Tacoma, and then once you selected it, you'll notice that it's already on green. So every time you press the button, your app will change real time. Sport, Super Sport, that's orange, and then Race, that's red. Press it again, it'll turn white, which is turned off. And let me give you a little example. So at the off position, if you accelerate, you can see the vehicle's acceleration and shift power's acceleration. It's going to be the same. And then you press it once, it'll jump to 25%. And you'll notice that the shift power acceleration is going to be a little bit more than the original. All right, there it is. Press it one more time. Sport, it's going to be more aggressive. Super Sport, even more aggressive. And then Race, super aggressive, very sensitive. And you can also fine tune this setting by going to the setting button here, most settings. So if there's a specific percentage that you would rather prefer, you could go ahead and change it over here. And then on top of that, you can change the throttle curve to be linear, which is straight, dynamic, or exponential, which has the most easing in curve. So exponential will probably be the easiest to drive, unless of course you're just trying to peel out and do donuts. It will want it to be linear. So exponential, we'll try at Race. So with exponential, the acceleration will build up more as you're pushing it down more. Okay, on top of that, we also have what's called a valet mode. So at the valet mode, you can actually adjust how much percentage is the maximum acceleration, between 15 to 45% when you're valeting your vehicle, so that you don't have to worry about the valet driver peeling out with your car and being reckless with it. And at the same time, we also have the throttle lock mode. So when you lock your throttle, this is for a secondary theft deterrent device. See that they get your engine turned on, and even when they accelerate, nothing is going to happen to the vehicle. It won't move. Okay guys, now that you have your phone set up, with the shift power module. Let's go ahead and tuck this in behind the panel, and let's go for a test drive. Right now the shift power is turned off, so we're using the factory mode. And I'm gonna go ahead and jump it into race mode here. It's hard to tell right now because of the direct light, but button does actually turn into red as well. All right, I can already tell the immediate acceleration that wasn't there before. Because this vehicle is a hybrid, it already has very high torque, and what this device does is it actually increases the output on your hybrid battery engine so that the initial acceleration becomes a lot more. Almost feels like I'm accelerating on a Tesla. Gives me the same type of feel. Oh yeah, big difference. All right, so right now we're using 100%. Okay, and then our curve, our acceleration curve is linear. So we're at the most aggressive setting right now. I'm gonna make a U-turn and I'm going to just send it. All right, here we go, sports mode on race. There we go. All right, look at this acceleration. Does not feel like a minivan at all. Wow, it's just, man, the car just wants to go. Woo, look at that. All right, so let me go ahead and turn this down. Wow, big difference. It's like, where did the acceleration go? Man. Let me go ahead and pull back in. Alright guys, well that does it. That concludes our installation demonstration of the shift power throttle response controller. It was very fun trying it on this vehicle, and this is one of the vehicles that makes a huge difference with this throttle response controller. So if you have the new Sienna and if you feel like your throttle is lacking or you want to go a little bit faster, I really recommend this product. If you have any questions, drop a line below or email us at info@bsonicusa.com. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel and like our video. Thank you very much.